the last 12 months, I've made over $100,000 in pure profit thanks to the TikTok Shop affiliate program by promoting products just like this and this. In today's video, we're gonna analyze my top 3 best performing videos and products, why they performed well, and how you can replicate the same exact process. So let's get into it. All right, so let's dive right into it because the TikTok Shop affiliate program is an absolute gold mine. For those that don't know me, my name is Trevin Peterson. I've been in the online space for the last 8 years. I've done over 8 figures, close to $20 million. And out of every single business model I've tried, the TikTok Shop affiliate program is some of the easiest and most lucrative money I've ever made. So in today's video, I want to open up the curtains and reveal my 3 best performing products and why they performed well. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and let's come over here, jump in my screen, and let's analyze the first video. So right here, as you can see, it got 2.1 million views, and it is this hand grip. We're going to watch the video, I'm going to analyze it, and I'm going to reveal kind of why I think it went viral and why it performed well. But for those that don't understand the affiliate program, I will drop a link down below. I have a completely free guide that will walk you through the entire A to Z process on how to get your account, how to find products, how to make the videos. It seriously is some of the easiest money you will ever make. You just have to put in the work. So the link will be in the description. Okay, so let's watch it. What did you get?
84.
84, Grandpa. Nice job. Let's try it. Just squeeze it. All right.
One hand or two hands?
Oh, 27. Nice job, Ari. Let's see, 172. That's going to be hard to beat. 119.
63.
God.
71.
I want to see what mine is.
Oh, nice. 108.
We should have 2 episodes.
What did you
You
get?
don't even get to see it.
His
78.
Try it.
129. There we go.
114. I still beat you.
What did you get?
Okay, so I absolutely love this video, and there are tons of reasons why this went viral. The first one is the opening intro is my grandpa, who's 80 years old, and he got 84. And then it went to basically the next clip to my niece, who is 3 years old, who got 27. And then it went to my brother-in-law, who got 172, which is absolutely insane. If you guys have ever done these hand grippers, like when I do this, like it is so hard. I barely get like 115, 120, and my brother-in-law got 172. So having that wide variety from my grandpa to my 3-year-old niece to my brother-in-law, just that massive spectrum created a ton of crazy comments. So you can see right here, it says, rarely do I see people get to 180. What? I've never even seen big dudes get 172. That just created a lot of controversy in the comment section. You will also see in the comments, people were commenting on my shirt that I was wearing. I didn't intentionally do this, but I was wearing a Cybertruck shirt and people were commenting on that. And then people were commenting on my little brother who is actually jacked and he wasn't able to beat me. Again, my brother-in-law was actually smaller than him and then my other brother beat him. And so there's just a lot of kind of fun, friendly competition in the video and people love that. And that is why this video performed well. And it actually just crushed it. I mean, for 3 solid months, I think I was making like $5 grand a month just from this product. And I did do additional videos, and that is one little golden nugget for you guys, is once you have a viral video, you want to basically replicate that and ride that wave and make additional videos of that viral video. And so I did that same thing, and I did it in some different settings, some different groups. This was at a family event, and so I was like, okay, this is perfect. There was just so many things that added up to just make the perfect video. Now, not every video is going to have that many viral moments or that many reasons for people to watch or to comment, but that is what you want to do in a video. So the more engagement, the more interested you can get the audience, the more wow moments people have, the more likely it is to go viral. And that's why this got 2.1 million views. So I love this video, and it actually still continues to bring in sales. And I've done it in some, again, different settings, but this one has been by far one of the best things that have performed. 2.1 million views, all thanks to this hand gripper. And the commission rate was like 20%, and I was making like $5 every single unit. So that is another thing to look at, is the commission rate. Let's jump to the second one and watch it right here. You can see it is a little basketball hoop. It's got 4.3 million views, but let's dive into the video and actually see why it performs so well. It's time to throw that one in the garbage and get this one, which is basically like a real hoop with the metal. Okay, I'm gonna pause it right there because I want to kind of analyze it step by step. The first 3 seconds of the video, what did I do? I threw down the plastic one and I said, throw this in the garbage. And people have a lot of attachments to that particular hoop. I didn't mention the brand. You couldn't see the logo. That is one thing that you want to be careful of when you're doing kind of a comparison, is you don't want to mention the brand name and slander it. But I just kind of threw it down and I just said, throw this away and get this instead. So that was the hook, and that really got people's attention. And then there's a few other things that I did throughout the video that I'll break down that really helped this video perform. Rim with a real net. If it's a full-size ball, it's got a backboard. This thing adjusts, so you can come right here and I can lift this up. And then I tighten it, and I can lift up the bottom one, and look at how high I can get it. You fill this up with water or sand. You could even put some sandbags on it, and you can roll this around super easily. And you can get it on the TikTok shop right now. It's on sale. So a few things. I demonstrated it. There's a lot of cool features on it, and I showed why somebody would want it. So getting into all the details of, hey, it extends, it's got a real rim, it's got a real backboard, it will fit a full-size ball, you can fill this up with water, you can move it around, and showing it. And then this right here is one of the main reasons it went viral right here. So watch this. Bucket! I shot it. And I don't know if you guys noticed it, but it was super, super wobbly. I didn't have anything in the base filled up with water or sand, like I mentioned, so it wasn't super stable. And people in the comments were going crazy and are like, does it tip? This guy definitely doesn't have kids. The disrespect for the hoop. That there's a lot of people, the thing even with sand or water is coming back down immediately, and people were just going crazy about it being able to tip over. And I just kind of leaned into that, which I will get to, which we'll come back to, but I just want to finish the video real quick. And this is something that everybody needs to do in their videos. So right here, I ended with, they're running a flash dough right now. Perfect gift idea. Your kids are going to love it. And you're going to love it. So I ended with a call to action, and I said, hey, you're running a flash dough, make sure to click the link. It's the perfect gift idea. You're going to love it, and your kids are going to love it. Click the link and get yours today. So always having a call to action. So I had a good hook. Then I broke down the product. I showed it off. I showed all the cool little details. And then I had that moment where it was super flimsy and it was tipping over because I didn't have the water in the base or a weight on the base. And then I had that call to action. And all of those things added up to, again, create that viral video of 4.3 million views. Now, what I did with that is I have probably 6 to 10 videos on the same product where I leaned into those issues, where I basically did the same exact thing. I followed the same exact formula, and I did a lot of reply to comment videos. And I would show like, hey, people are saying I disrespected it, disrespected the plastic hoop. I don't care. I'm going to slam it again. People say it's going to tip over. Well, I put a little weight on the back, and I was having my nephew hang on the rim and try to pull it over, and he couldn't. Again, demonstrating why this is an amazing product. And so I leaned into all of the hate comments, and I turned it into positive. And so that's what you're going to do. And I am still generating commissions every single day from this video, and it continues to do well because of that blueprint. Good hook, break down the product, get their attention, create some sort of controversy. Again, the hoop was tipping back and forth, and then have that call to action, and you will crush it. And then after that, once the video is going viral, you want to lean into that, reply to comments with videos, lean into it and make additional videos of that product, and just follow that formula. That is the secret recipe for success. We'll dive into the third video now, which is this cupping back massager. So it is a little portable cupping massager, and it has 2.1 million views. And you can see with the thumbnail, do you have back pain, alleviate back pain? There are so many people that are searching for this particular keyword, this particular solution, because I dealt with it myself. And I'm going to show you guys the video and exactly kind of why it went viral. If you're dealing with back pain, listen up. I have 2 bulging discs and have had pain in my lower back for years. So I started off the video of, do you have back pain? I'm asking a question because I know a lot of people do it because I struggled with it myself. And then I showed, don't worry, I have a solution because I have been dealing with the same thing with 2 bulging discs. And I actually showed my MRI results of my back pain. So right here, you can see that I showed the actual results of my MRI. And I was like, hey, are you dealing with this? I am too. And this electric cupping therapy set is an absolute game changer and has really helped alleviate a lot of pressure and pain in my back. So what you do is you just put it on your back, you turn it on, and it suctions. It also, this was one of the easiest videos to make. Again, I was just having my wife go in, film it, suction it up. It suctions your back. And then I just had a little text over it, and then I did a voiceover. There was no fancy edits on this. It was very, very straightforward, but it performed well because I got their attention, I related to them, and then I showed them a solution. So we'll continue watching. Also has heat built in, and it also has a red light therapy. This going over all the features, and it really works extremely well. And I almost notice instant relief on my lower back. And on the TikTok shop, you can get it for only $10. So at the very end, what did I do again? I had a good call to action, and I said, hey, it is only $10. You guys better click that link and get yours today. So again, it's the same exact thing. A good hook, show the product off, create some controversy, show things in throughout the middle. Again, I was showing my MRI results. I was showing how it was using. I was showing my wife just putting it on. I was showing the features and the benefits. And then at the very end, I said, hey, by the way, it's a really good price, flash sale. Click that link and get yours today. And that video crushed it and did 2.1 million, and I'm still generating commissions every single day from it. So that's the blueprint. That's the recipe. That's the secret sauce. I literally just gave it to you guys. Now you just need to go in and take action. These 3 products have done really well. I have 10, 20 other products that all have millions of views, but these were just the 3 that I wanted to analyze for you guys. If you guys like this video, if you want me to do more and analyze additional videos, let me know. But if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. Again, I have that free guide in the description. And we also have the #1 school community group that has over 4,000 members. You guys will get access to courses showing you how to unlock your account, how to find the best products, how to film the products. You'll be able to ask questions. You guys got live calls. I'll put that link in the description, and that price is going to continue to increase. So make sure to lock in that price before it does. I think it's like less than $20 right now. So make sure to jump on it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next one.